Proud to introduce you to the Actually Curious bundle boxes. Pictured here is the Actually Curious starter bundle. Very clearly outlined on the front, you can see a bit of description, the starter bundle, our signature tagline, a conversation game and movement to spread empathy. On the right, you have our use cases like dinner parties, date night, game night, team building, road trips, journaling. Again, on the front, a conversation game and a movement to spread empathy played out. On the back of our boxes, we have a welcome to the starter bundle, which includes two decks to clearly communicate the value, including the Curiosity Edition and the Happy Hour Edition. A description of each deck that's included, a visual of the two decks that are included, again, showing the value of this bundle box. Then on the back, we have our values that are reflected in each of the bundle boxes. As we open up, we've included a description of how the movement came to be, very brief, a high level description of each of the boxes, and then a quick how to play to get the consumer into the game right away. Game night, one on one, and self reflection. We've managed to keep the same elegant, sleek design while creating more stopping value and point of sale education. We have kept with our original design of small card sized boxes, 52 questions that explore empathy. And we're really proud. Comes in 4 editions: the family bundle, the icebreaker bundle, the necessary conversation bundle, and the starter bundle. Can't wait for you to check this out.